अस्सलामुअलैकुम व्यूअर्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश लर्निंग सीरीज़। इस वीडियो के थ्रू मैं आपके साथ 75 शॉर्ट सेंटेंसेस शेयर करने जा रही हूँ, जिनको हम अपनी डेली रूटीन में किसी भी टाइम पे यूज़ कर सकते हैं। यानी आप घर पे मौजूद हैं या घर से बाहर हैं, तो ये सेंटेंसेस आपके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल होने वाले हैं। तो वीडियो को कंप्लीट वॉच कीजिएगा। वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले मुझे आपको एक छोटा सा इंपॉर्टेंट मैसेज देना है कि अगर आप आईकॉम के स्टूडेंट हैं, बीकॉम ऑनर कर रहे हैं, बीकॉम आईटी या बीबीए के स्टूडेंट हैं, तो आप मेरे सेकंड चैनल पर विजिट कर सकते हैं। उस चैनल का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी मिल जाएगा। अदरवाइज आप आई बटन पर क्लिक करके भी उस चैनल पर विजिट कर सकते हैं। आज की वीडियो का सबसे फर्स्ट सेंटेंस है, तुम्हें अपनी बात पर कायम रहना चाहिए। यू शुड कीप योर वर्ड। यू शुड कीप योर वर्ड। You should keep your word. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस है, अब मैं इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकती या अब मैं और इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकती। I can't wait any longer now. I can't wait any longer now. I can't wait any longer now. आओ गपशप लगाएं। Let's have a chat. Let's have a chat. Or you can say that let's have a gossips. Let's have a gossips. Next sentence है, आपसे कोई मिलने आया है। There is someone to see you. There is someone to see you. There is someone to see you. Next sentence है, बगैर इजाज़त अंदर नहीं आ सकते। No admission without permission. No admission without permission. आपके मशवरे का बहुत शुक्रिया। Very thanks for your advice. Very thanks for your advice. फर्श पर मत थूको। Don't spit on the floor. Don't spit on the floor. Don't spit on the floor. Next one is, ये तुम्हारा कसूर है। It's your fault. It's your fault. Or you can say that it is your fault. It is your fault. Next one is, ये घड़ी ठीक वक्त नहीं देती। This watch does not keep right time. This watch does not keep right time. ये मेरे मुतल्लिक नहीं है या ये मेरे बारे में नहीं है। It does not regard me. It does not regard me. उसे मेरा सलाम कहना। Give him my regards. Give him my regards. Next sentence है, मुझे ये बिल्कुल भूल गया था। It had gone out of my mind. It had gone out of my mind. It had gone out of my mind. Next one is, गुस्से में मत आओ। Don't get angry. Don't get angry. Don't get angry. सबके साथ नरमी से बोलो। Speak politely to everybody. Speak politely to everybody. Next one is, अपने काम से काम रखो। Please mind your own business. Please mind your own business. Please mind your own business. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई। Glad to see you. Glad to see you. मैंने आपके बारे में बहुत सुना है। I have heard a lot about you. I have heard a lot about you. I have heard a lot about you. क्या आप मुझे देखकर हैरान हो रहे हैं? Are you surprised to see me? Are you surprised to see me? मुझे इसका यकीन है। I am sure of it. I am sure of it. I am sure of it. क्या आप मेरा एक काम करेंगे? Will you do me a favor? Will you do me a favor? Will you do me a favor? मेरी प्यास अभी नहीं बुझी। I am still thirsty. I am still thirsty. आज मैं बहुत मसरूफ़ हूँ। I am very busy today. I am very busy today. I am very busy today. ये सब तुम्हारी करतूत है. It's all you're doing. It's all you're doing. इसके जिम्मेदार तुम हो. You are responsible for this. You are responsible for this. You are responsible for this. इसका क्या मतलब है? What does it mean? What does it mean? What does it mean? आपकी तवज्जो किस तरफ है? What are you attending to? What are you attending to? What are you attending to? तकल्लुफ़ ना कीजिए. Don't be formal. Don't be formal. हर चीज़ तरीके से रखो. Arranged everything in order. Arranged everything in order. Arranged everything in order. बेवकूफ़ ना बनो. Don't be silly. Don't be silly. कोई मुश्किल हो तो पूछिए. You can ask me if there is any difficulty. You can ask me if there is any difficulty. You can ask me if there is any difficulty. दूसरों के काम में खलल ना डालो. Don't disturb others. Don't disturb others. सीधे खड़े रहो, झुको मत. Stand upright, don't bend. Stand upright, don't bend. Stand upright, don't bend. मैं इसके लिए शर्मिंदा हूँ. I am sorry for that. I am sorry for that. आप आपे से बाहर क्यों हो रहे हैं? Why are you losing temper? Why are you losing temper? अब किसी तरह बात को ख़त्म करो. Now settle the matter somehow. Now settle the matter somehow. बात को ज़्यादा ना बढ़ाओ. Don't stretch the matter further. Don't stretch the matter further. Don't stretch the matter further. सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. Everything will be settled. Everything will be settled. आप बेकार में गुस्सा हो रही हैं. You are angry for nothing. You are angry for nothing. You are angry for nothing. मैं इसे बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकती. Sorry, I can't afford that. Sorry, I can't afford that. तुम्हें इस बात की इजाज़त नहीं देनी चाहिए थी. You should not allow this. You should not allow this. मुझे कोई एतराज़ नहीं. I have no objection. I have no objection. मैं आपसे बिल्कुल मुत्तफिक हूँ. I entirely agree with you. I entirely agree with you. I entirely agree with you. मेरी फिक्र ना करो. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. I don't want anything. I don't want anything. मैं आपका कहना नहीं मान सकती. I can't accept what you say. I can't accept what you say. क्या आप यहाँ आने की ज़हमत करेंगे? Would you please come over here? Would you please come over here? Would you please come over here? तुम इस तरह नहीं बच सकते. You can't get away like this. You can't get away like this. आपके साथ क्या मसला है? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? तुम बातूनी हो. You are chatterbox. You are chatterbox. वो खरी बात करती है. She is outspoken. She is outspoken. मुझे अपने ग्रुप में शामिल कर लो. Count me in your friends group. Count me in your friends group. Count me in your friends group. मुझे गलत मत समझो. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. तुम्हें ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था. You should not have done this. You should not have done this. You should not have done this. तुम बहुत चालाक हो. You are so smart. You are so smart. इसे अपने ज़हन में रखो. Keep it in your mind. Keep it in your mind. ये मेरा मसला नहीं है. It's not my problem. It's not my problem. तुम कौन सा लेना चाहोगे? Which one would you prefer? Which one would you prefer? इस बात से तुम्हारा कोई ताल्लुक नहीं. This is none of your business. This is none of your business. इस बारे में कोई बात नहीं हुई. This point was not touched. This point was not touched. बेवकूफ मत बनाओ मुझे. Don't make me fool. Don't make me fool. कहाँ थी तुम? Where have you been? Where have you been? जो करना है कर लो. Do whatever you want to do. Do whatever you want to do. Do whatever you want to do. इसे कुछ नहीं आता जाता. She is a blunt-minded. She is a blunt-minded. सब ठीक तो है ना? Is everything all right? Is everything all right? वो पुराने ख्यालात का है. He is a bit conservative. He is a bit conservative. मैंने ऐसा जानबूझकर नहीं किया. It's done unconsciously. It's done unconsciously. अभी मेरा काम खत्म नहीं हुआ है. My work is not yet over. My work is not yet over. My work is not yet over. ये आपका कसूर नहीं था. You were not at fault. You were not at fault. You were not at fault. आपकी आवाज़ कट रही है. Your voice is choppy. Your voice is choppy. Your voice is choppy. मुझ पर मत चीखो. Don't yell at me. Don't yell at me. Don't yell at me. आप ये सब कुछ जानबूझकर कर रहे हैं. You are doing this deliberately. You are doing this deliberately. You are doing this deliberately. तो व्यूअर्स ये 75 शॉर्ट सेंटेंसेस थे. इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो प्लीज गिव अस अ थम्स अप एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल and press the bell icon right next to it to never miss the upcoming video update, and also give me a feedback in the comment section. Thanks for watching and see you in the next informative video. Allah Hafiz.